this is how it came. This is my salad. This is my side of rice. Ooh. Jar bread. Okay. So here's the rest. Yummy. I just let it drape off. I don't know. Whatever. This one is the brown lentils blended with jalapeno, and oh, it's served cold. That's why I should have looked at it. I was like, this is cold. This one is spiced chickpeas with garlic and ginger. This one's really good. I like that one. The last one is yellow split peas cooked with onion and turmeric. Next time I know what I like. I'm gonna big one of that. It is tequila gomen. It's spicy, cabbage and carrots. I'm gonna lay that down now. Fasolia, green beans and carrots, tomato. Looks good. And then we got the gomen, which is the collard greens. And red lentils, Masirawat, red split lentils cooked with onion. Thank you so much for letting me eat this food, my Lord. Let it be nourishment for my body. I'm blessed, I'm thankful, I'm truly grateful, and I'm appreciative. Thank you so much. Ooh. I think my favorite is this. Green beans. This is kind of like sweet. Like sweet. Smoky. Like something familiar, but I can't put my finger on exactly what. I can't see, I don't have my glasses on. So, it is what it is. The sour from the collard greens and the bread. Yellow lentils, to me they're okay. It's not the best. Injera bread by itself is a lot, but if you're eating it with everything else, it's okay. I'm trying to figure out which one. So I know this is one of my favorites, and I like the greens a lot. I like the green beans. I like the cabbage. The yellow lentil, it's okay. The texture is kind of like grainy, as if the lentils are not, they're not prepared in the way this was. It doesn't seem, well, let me see. This is more smooth, and it's more like it's served cold, so it's more, to me it tastes more like a salsa, you know what I mean, like a salsa taste. Maybe I like a limey salsa. It smells like some type of sweet barbecue, but it's definitely not barbecue. Pretty sure the salad. It's good. Have whatever the seasoning is on top. Dressing is more at the bottom. It's good. I really like this one. I'm very grateful to have experienced this food. I was looking at it for a few days and I'm like, yeah. The injera bread is an acquired taste, obviously, because it's sour, you know. It's not my favorite. Picking up some rice and then injera bread and some peas. Lentils. I'm dropping rice everywhere. It's like my long grain rice. Right. This is $50. Pretty expensive. That's a good amount of food. We can eat off of it for a while. I might freeze it for whenever I want it again. I don't know if you can freeze injera bread, but I'm gonna look it up. This reminds me of like refried beans. Yeah. This one's taste. Would taste like if what you thought lentils would taste like, you know, It kind of dry like bean taste. This is kind of sweet because cabbage is sweet. It tastes like cabbage. Like I said, this reminds me of refried beans. Salty. These carrots and green beans are made like with tomato, and they taste like tomato sauce. They're good. And of course, collards. Yeah, I left the last three that I wasn't that much feeling. I want to try all the vegan dishes they had. Cool. I did eat it, it was gonna get soggy.